Hi, my name is Reshi Moitra and I am the nutritionist with Herbalife Nutrition India. Today I am going to show you how to prepare Formula 1 Chia Strawberry Pudding. Interesting, right? For this, you need 3 scoops of Formula 1 nutritional shake mix, 300 ml skimmed milk, 3 tablespoons chia seeds, half cup that is 100 grams of strawberries. Put Formula 1 nutritional shake mix, milk and chia seeds in a covered jar. Shake well and let it sit for 10 minutes or so until the mixture starts to thicken, shaking occasionally. While waiting, crush the strawberries with a fork. Place the crushed strawberries in the bottom of a glass bowl or jar. Gently pour the Formula 1 mixture on the top of the strawberries. Cover with a plastic wrap and place it in the refrigerator for several hours or overnight until set.